Welcome to 7 Scapes with the Social Squad.
Our sixth Scape in the series is a collaboration with Two Guys, One Grill,
So our
Netflix and
friends
Grll.
from Two Guys One Grll sent us a DIY kit.
Yeah, it's a really nice box. I think we should receive it every day in this quarantine. Lots of supplies.
So this is the quarantine kit which they've come up with in this Corona times. It's a do-it-yourself kit, and it's a very special collaboration.
With Asim's dinner squad room as well last year. Last winter we did his Mehndi event.
So we did Asim Malaika's Mehndi in December last year.
So let's have a look at the list of things you may need to make this scape. 2 Guys, One Grill DIY package, a hot plate or a grill, television, Netflix subscription, and the rest of the things you may read.
Yes, let's do the inauguration, guys.
So this box comes with 7 really easy steps. Here they are. One is the patty, then you add the cheese to it, then you glaze the buns, then you add the secret sauces, add rocket, and then the fries.
So nicely packed and instructed.
Their own signature sauce.
So let the grilling begin.
So I'm getting the hot plate ready. Getting this burger station ready to make some nice donut burgers. While the pan heats up, we'll quickly set up the space.
So just trying to make our lounge sofa a little more comfortable. We are just dragging another sofa extension from another room, adding a puffy, adding side tables, and here's for some Netflix and Grll under the stars for real.
So I'm just switching it on. And that's the social squad. The lights are done. I'm gonna head to the bar and make some donut burgers.
Just adding a little bit of the oil, ignore the pan aesthetics.
Any pan sponsors? Just joking. Number 1, the signature beef patty. Oi hoy, kya smell hai? I'm super excited. Doing this on low heat, you go check out what Aisha's up to.
Just brought pillows from my bedroom and adding cushions and layering them up. Now I'm just gonna put a blanket and just spread it out.
Ready for the flip and just doing some Two Guys One Grill signature seasoning.
Just pulling out the donut buns now.
So as per the step, we'll just cut the buns into a half. And yeah, perfect. इससे पेंटिंग करनी है या ग्लेजिंग? Quickly going to glaze them, put them in the toaster, and I think we'll be ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in the toaster. So there they go. Just go see what Aisha's up to.
Just adding some toppings now. Adding this tray, the floor cushions, the fairy lights. Putting this throw now. And just a candle.
Some chilled Coke with this burger. My favorite bit, topping up cheese on the patty.
And here are the curly fries. I'm just gonna go quickly put them in the frying pan. the buns are slightly toasted now. Now Fahad is just going to add the signature sauces to them.
So the white one is more towards like sour cream, and the red one is more like salsa-ish, marinara.
So tender, man.
I'm just quickly checking up on the fries. I think Fahad is also taking out the patty by now.
So no bougainvillea for Aisha, but some rocket leaves right there. So Aisha's gonna add some touch of it. I don't like personally rocket leaves, but just 2 of them would be nice.
The burgers are ready and now we'll just switch on some Netflix.
Yo, tissue box. And we're almost done. Aisha's putting a tissue box. And that's your Netflix and Grll with the Social Squad in collaboration with 2 guys, 1 grill. So show us your Scape by using hashtag 7ScapeChallenge and tagging Social Squad PK.
And do share your ideas, feedback, and questions in the comments below.